Hey guys, today we are going to cook my favorite pork dish all the way from Garo Hills called Wak Gominda. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification and never miss an update. It's a traditional Garo recipe which is oil-free, easy to cook and superlatively delicious. And now let's check out the ingredients. Pork, pumpkin, green chilies, salt and khalchi or khar. Now let's start cooking our Wak Gominda. Take a large pot, add your pork and salt. Stir, cover and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes in a low flame, occasionally stirring in between. Now we will add our slit green chilies, stir it again and open cook it for a couple of minutes. Add your pumpkin pieces and khalchi. Stir them well. Cover and cook it for 30 minutes or until the pumpkin is completely soft and begins to disintegrate. We will now open cook it for another 5 minutes and taste the dish as well as adjust the khalchi. I like adding a teaspoon of it towards the end and cook it for 5 more minutes. And here you go, our Wak Gominda is ready. Isn't the color of the dish so beautiful? The pork is ultra tender, the pumpkin is sweet while being perfectly heated by the green chilies. I'm sure that you'll be blown away by this delicious combination and no wonder it is so popular across Garo Hills. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up and see you soon.